Roger, Dodger, 10-4, over and out. Prepared and ready, Captain. Ready for takeoff.
Okay, well, let's begin. What? We have lost all power!
That's strange. Here's a flashlight.
What's strange, Ralph?
I opened the light bill. I read the light bill. I thought I paid the light bill.
Ralph, you promised to take care of it on time.
Hello there, you two. What's this about a timely promise?
Ralph promised to pay the electric bill on time.
And I think I did. A squirrel probably knocked it out.
A squirrel?
That's right, a squirrel.
Well, okay. Now we can begin preparations for our mission.
I can tell you about the greatest mission ever launched.
Did they have cool spaceships?
It was told in the Bible about the future.
The future?
Yes, Henry. God is the true author of the Bible, and he told men of God called prophets to write things down that were going to happen long before they actually did.
Were those called prophecies, Mr. Bible?
Yes, Ralph. God wanted his people to recognize the promised Savior when he came, so God gave prophecies telling about Jesus' coming. These prophecies can be found in the book of Micah and Isaiah in the Old Testament at least 700 years before Jesus' actual birth.
Wow, they had to prepare early.
They did, and in 1 John chapter 4, verse 14, the Apostle John wrote, "The Father sent the Son to be the Savior of the world." Isaiah said, "His name shall be Emmanuel," which means God with us.
That's amazing that God is with us through his Son. That is the greatest mission ever!
Yes, it sure was, Ralph. God promised a Savior, sent word beforehand so that all would be ready, and then delivered him to be born in Bethlehem.
I say that on our miraculous mission, we can always know that God will keep his word.
Hey, I think that should be our mission statement for today. God will always keep his word.
Well done, you two.